Legacy application compatibility. Not all legacy Win32 application can be converted to MSIX due to dependencies on specific system configuration or because they require elevated privilege that MSIX restricts. So there are additional limitations of MSIX. One of it is it does not allow elevated privilege as the application is installed in a containerized folder that is Windows app. So there we don't have the write access, and also we can't provide elevated or admin rights to some of the application, or within an MSIX we can't provide admin rights. As simple as that. So because of that reason, we won't be able to work with some of the application which does require admin admin rights. So in that way, that application will fail. Complex applications, applications that has multiple custom actions which are very complex, and also which has multiple uh, installation scripts may not be suitable for MSIX packaging. Namely, if an application contains a driver, then that application cannot be converted to an MSIX format. Size constraint. While MSIX supports large application, the package size can become a limitation. So sometimes it's like that. Some of the applications are very big in size, so it has many dependencies, many drivers. So in that way, it is a limitation of an MSIX that the application might not work. Restricted capabilities. So it's a stricter security model which prevents certain applications from functioning. Like some of the applications are more dependent on the system resources. So even if we are trying to do something substantial application, those application cannot be make like compatible with the MSIX. So under such scenarios, we should not create and convert the existing application into an MSIX format. So these are some of the limitations. Also, there are more robust ways by which we can find out whether some of the application should be converted to MSIX or not. Application which has kernel drivers, that application cannot be converted to an MSIX because of security restrictions. Application with boot time services. Application that install services that need to run before the operating system fully boots are not suitable for MSIX, so that application cannot be converted. Certain system level application that integrates with operating system directly, that that may function incorrectly, so that application should not be converted to MSIX. And highly customized installer. There are customized installer where there are environment variables, some dynamic link libraries, multiple location installation, complex scripting. So those applications shouldn't be considered for MSIX. So overall, we can say there are many limitations of an MSIX, but this is a growing technology, so we need to check. We need to check thoroughly. We need to test the application, and then we can find out whether the application is suitable for MSIX.